Big deep breath for me. Relax and let it out.
There it is. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
There it is. Yes, ma'am.
Shit, you ready to kill somebody like that? That feels so good. Okay.
Not too bad.
Not bad. Shit. My neck feel like the best right now. Oh look, I can get down more.
Yeah, you can balance.
That is lit.
Not too bad.
Not too bad at all.
Hey guys, at the Clerge, a DMV chiropractor, and I'm here today with Barbara.
Yes.
Okay, so Barbara, you made it in.
Yes, I did.
All right, you're still in Maryland, but it's what are you about, like you said, an hour?
Yes, about an hour away in
Okay.
Baltimore.
Baltimore.
Yes.
So the drive, how was the drive though? Okay.
The drive was good. A little traffic, but
Little traffic.
nothing
Okay.
too serious.
Well, it's still Friday though. Usually
Yeah,
Fridays.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do that. Take that in consideration.
And like with the casinos open and people are starting to commute a little bit more.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
Right.
So yeah, that makes sense.
Right, because then you have, I think there's one in Baltimore also.
Mm-hmm,
and
the
then there's-
Horseshoe Casino, and
Right.
then there's another one.
And then there's another one not too far from it, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so. All right, well, okay, you would have made it in. So what's going on?
Been having some major back issues from sleeping on the couch for more than a year
Okay,
until I moved into my own place, and then
I see.
sleeping on the air mattress, so I had to get my own mattress.
I see.
And
I
that's
see.
it. So
So getting situated and, with, I guess, new bed,
Moving
things
situation.
like that. Right,
Yes.
yeah, okay. So you told me that neck, upper, lower back, basically everywhere, right?
yes.
Stiffness, soreness,
Yes.
aches. Okay. Any particular movement? I know you said do you sleep on your
Right.
stomach or you sleep on your back?
I sleep like most on my side.
On your side.
Yeah,
Okay.
if that makes sense.
That's not too bad. Okay. But you don't sleep on your stomach.
No.
Okay. So that's usually the worst position to sleep in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So on your back is actually better,
Mhm.
as far as especially if you put a few pillows underneath,
Right.
or you can use a cervical pillow to kind of help support your curve.
Yeah.
And you want to keep your legs elevated, decrease the tension.
Right.
Okay. And the reason I'm telling you this because you said, the sleeping, laying down, that's what's causing the issue, right?
Yes.
So you want to be mindful of that position.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll just take a look at everything. We'll check your range of motion, see what's causing any issues. Are you restricted with certain motions? And then we'll palpate, meaning that we'll press down on different parts of your body to see if you have any tenderness, stiffness, soreness, and then we'll know what treatment to do,
Okay.
Typically the treatments are similar, but different people may have different issues in different parts, and we may have to use different adjustments. Okay, so that's what we'll try. You can answer it. But yeah, so we'll basically, do the exam, and then we'll know what course of treatment to do.
Okay.
Okay, cool. You can
Okay.
face me. Good. Well, you can move back up a little bit. That way you got more space to do the motion.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have you bend and try and touch both feet, but don't bend your legs, okay? That's not too bad. What do you feel?
Stretching.
Stretch, okay. So tightness in the back of the leg.
Yes.
Lower back is okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Let's have you come back up. Like the Pumas, by the way. That's all I wear.
All right.
Yeah.
I love it, so comfy.
They're very comfortable. Yeah, like my kids, they get all these expensive shoes.
Yeah, no.
And they bought me one for Christmas. I think it was like Air Jordan. Something they bought me, and I tried it. It was just uncomfortable.
Right,
and
no.
I'm like, no, I don't.
I need memory foam.
Right, and they do feel good, right? And
Yeah.
and they're not expensive.
They not.
Right. Yeah.
Got mine from Costco, okay?
Right.
$20.
Yeah, not like seriously. Yeah, you can get them for like $20, $30, $40, and they're really comfortable.
Yes, they are.
So that's all I have. Okay, so both arms up. You can come closer this time. We're gonna rotate to the right, rotate to the left. Let me know how that feels.
A little tight.
A little tight. Okay. All right. Now let's go side to side. So go to this side, and then let's go to that side.
As far as I can.
Right. Let's come back up. Let's do it again. Go to this side to the point where you're comfortable.
Okay.
And then go to the other side. Trying to see. Okay. How's that? That's okay? What do you
It's
feel?
okay. It's just like tightness.
Tightness?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, have a seat. Yep. Okay. So now let's check your head and neck range of motion. Let's have you look down for me. So you're just going to go into flexion. To the point where you're comfortable, what do you feel?
It's not
Too bad?
Mm-mm.
Okay, let's have you extend, so look back for me. How's that?
It's all right.
That's all right?
Yes.
Okay. So now we're going to rotate, so you're going to go to the right. How's that?
Small stiffness.
Some stiffness, nothing too
just
major.
Yeah.
Let's go to the other side. How's that?
Same.
Same.
Yes.
Nothing too major. Okay. Now we're going side to side, so you're going to go to this side and then the other side, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go to the right first. How's that?
It's like
That's a little tight, yeah, because you're not moving as much on this side. Okay. Let's go to this side. How's that?
The same.
The same. That's
Yeah.
a bit tight. Okay, gotcha. All right. Okay. Let's have you face down for me.
Okay.
Is that okay? Is that uncomfortable? What do you feel?
It hurts a little
It
bit.
hurts a little bit.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of tightness. Okay.
Oh, same to that.
Same thing on this side.
Yeah.
Okay. Now lift this up. Is that okay?
Mhm.
How's that? Is that okay or
That's
not?
okay.
That's okay. So
Mhm.
lower back, not too bad. Okay. So mainly this area here. Okay. All right. Let's have you go ahead and sit up for me. All right. So what we'll do, stretch you out first, to
Okay.
loosen you up. Okay. Then after that, you'll come back for the adjustments.
Okay.
And then after that, you'll go for the massages. Okay.
All right.
So the goal is, well, once you're done with treatment,
Mhm.
you should be able to rotate a little bit better. You should be able to lateral flex a little bit better. You should be able to move. You should feel light. Your muscles shouldn't be as tight. Okay.
Okay.
You don't have anything major going on. You know, there's no major pain. You know, your movements a bit restricted, but they're not causing any major issues. Okay. So someone like you, I'll say, you can see us in a few months after that. Okay.
Okay.
Or if you get tight again, or if you feel restricted again, you can always call us again. All right. So they're going to take you back and get you stretched out. Okay. All right.
I'm gonna stretch out your abductors, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna start with a big deep breath for me. Go ahead and relax and let it out. How's that?
Tight.
Is it too tight?
It's fine. I can handle it.
Okay. Go ahead and grab your ankles and make sure you slide your feet back for me. Perfect. Just like that. Let's go again, okay? Third position. All right. Big deep breath again. Relax and let it out. Too much?
It's fine.
Okay. Let's do it one more time, okay?
Okay.
This time I'm gonna cover the front. Again, big deep breath. Relax and let it out. Good. How's that? Okay, I'm gonna hold it for a little bit. Perfect. So I'm gonna start with some stretches for your neck, okay? Go ahead and start with a big deep breath for me. Relax and let it out. Good. Again, big deep breath. Relax and let it out. How's that?
It's okay.
Okay, we're gonna do it one more time.
Mhm.
1 second. Again, big deep breath. Relax and let it out. Comfortable?
Mhm.
Good. Let's switch sides, okay?
Okay.
Big deep breath. Relax and let it out. Again, big deep breath. Relax and let it out. Good. We're gonna do it one more time, okay? Big deep breath. Relax and let it out. Perfect. Good. So what I'm going to do is apply a little pressure here. Okay. And I'm going to be stretching your leg back this way, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead and take a big deep breath in. And out. Okay, how was that?
That's fine.
Go ahead and take a big deep breath in. And out. Okay, good. And out. Okay, good. Switch to the other side. Big deep breath. And out. Okay. Last time and out. Okay, how was that?
That's fine.
Okay. So how did the stretches go?
Stretches went well.
It went well.
It was tight.
It was an
but-
adventure.
Yeah. But I pulled it through.
Okay. All right. So some of these stretches, if you have someone to help you, you can continue to do them.
Okay.
To kind of help increase that muscle flexibility.
All
Okay.
right.
So we'll start with the lower back first. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of pressure. All right. Now I'm gonna have you rotate, that way I can assess what type of rotation you have. So let's have you rotate to the right for me. Okay. Let's have you rotate to the other side. This time let's go ahead and extend and go back. Is that a bit tight?
A little bit.
A little bit. Okay, let's go to the other side. Extend. Good. Okay. All right. I'm going to have you on your side. You're going to face this wall. So let me have you stand up for me. The key is to just relax as much as you can, okay?
Okay.
If you tense up, it doesn't work, okay? I'm going to go ahead and position you. Good. There you go. Good. Cross this one like this. Hold on to your arm like that. Straighten this leg out for me. Good. I'm going to reach in. Good. Perfect. There you go. Just like that. Just hold on to your arm like that. Bend this leg for me. Good. And just relax, okay? Now, you won't fall off the table. You just got to relax. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Good, 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 good. Okay. You can come closer to me. Perfect. Just like that.
Okay.
Good. Straighten this leg out. Bend this leg. Good. And relax. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Relax. There it is. Okay. Was that painful?
Nope.
Let's go to the other side. This one. There you go. Perfect. Yeah, no, you're fine. Good. And now you're not going to fall off, so don't worry.
Okay.
Relax. Good. Deep breath. Let it out. One more time. Deep breath. Out. Relax. Good. Yeah, I didn't expect much of that. All right, let's have you sit up for me.
Okay.
Okay, so you're going to slide forward. So for this one, I'll explain to you what I need you to do.
Okay.
I'm going to move your hair out of the way a little bit. You're going to take both arms, bring them up, and like your fingers behind your head, but go underneath your hair.
Okay.
Good.
Like them?
And interlock them. Now, I got to be able to fit my arm to this here. There you go. Good. And I'm going to bring you back. Just relax and drop on me. There you go. Good. Take a deep breath for me. Let it out. And out. And at the end of the breath, you just relax your whole body, okay?
Okay.
Let's do that again. Deep breath. Out. Relax your whole body. Oh, good. Like so, one more time. Keep your fingers in a lock. Deep breath. Out. Relax. There it is. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 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 That felt good though.
Pretty
Okay.
good?
Yes, it did. It felt good.
Felt good?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Next adjustment, we're focusing up top. So it's going to be an adjustment for your lower cervical spine and then your upper T-spine, okay? Goal is to kind of increase that motion. That way you can rotate better, allow to reflex better, okay? So let's have you face down on your stomach. There you go, good. So what I want you to do is just relax as much as you can. I'm gonna move your hair out the way. Don't move your head and neck. I'll do all the movements for you, okay? All right, so let's just have you relax for me. Relax, good, relax, relax, relax. There it is. Yes, ma'am. How was that?
That was good. Oh, shit. You think you could kill somebody like that? I love it, but it's okay. You can keep going.
Any pain with that?
No pain.
All right. Let's go to the other side. So, once again, to move your hair out the way a bit.
Okay.
Good. All right. So, same scenario.
Okay.
I just want you to relax for me, okay? Just gonna palpate, bring your head back to midline. Okay. Just relax. Don't move your head and neck, I'll move it for you. Good. Relax your whole body. There it is. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, shit. Yes. Fuck. I'm sorry.
How did it feel?
It felt so good.
Not too bad?
Not bad.
That's good.
I have a tolerance of pain, so it's fine.
But it's not painful.
No, it's not painful.
Right.
Not at all.
Let's go ahead and sit up for me. So now, let's see. Good. Next adjustment, I'm going to focus on the mid-cervicals right here, okay?
Okay.
So that adjustment was for right where I'm touching,
Mm-hmm.
the upper T-spine, lower cervicals. Now we're focusing right here in that middle area, okay? All right. So same scenario. Once I tell you to relax, drop your head. You're just going to drop your head, relax your whole body.
Gotcha.
Don't move. I'll do the movements for you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good. Just relax for me. There you go. Go ahead and drop your head down. There it is. Yes, ma'am. Any pain?
No pain. No pain.
It's good?
Yes.
Like your own world after the adjustment.
Yeah, I know I am. Like I'm gonna go to sleep. Okay.
All right, same scenario.
Okay.
Just gonna have you relax as much as you can, okay?
All right.
All right. Okay, good. Right here. Good, just relax. Go ahead and drop your head down. Good.
Shit. Shit. I'm okay.
How did that feel? Felt pretty good?
Shit. Like the fact I can feel it
Right.
already, like the difference. It feels so good.
Right.
I love it. It's more, right?
That's actually it. All right, so get up, move around, do some head and neck range of motion, bend, rotate. Let me know how you feel overall.
I feel a whole lot better. My neck feel like the best right now. Oh look, I can get down more.
Yeah, you can bend a little bit. Right.
I can bend down more.
That's
that
usually,
is-
yep.
That is lit.
That's usually the case after the adjustment.
Right.
You can bend, a little bit farther.
Okay.
Yep. Not too bad?
Not too bad at all.
Okay, perfect. So, what we're going to do next, massages, okay?
Okay.
So, basically, the adjustments, we target the joints, the spinal joints, okay? So that increases the motion. So, for example, you're able to turn your head a little bit better, you bend a bit farther.
Right.
Now we have to target the muscle, okay?
Okay.
So, we're going to do massages here, here, and then lower down, okay?
Okay.
All right, all set.
Is there any areas that you want me to pinpoint?
No, he's fine.
It's not too much pressure, is it?
No, that's not. It's fine.
kind of painful? It's just pressure.
It's fine.
You say it's what?
It's fine.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna just show my muscles jumping, fighting back.
All right. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Feeling good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. All right, so after this, they're gonna put you on the stem and traction table. You
Okay.
should feel pretty good after that.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Get you. Right.